Hello guys, good evening. Okay, so I just want to introduce you guys to my trading system. Okay, how I trade the financial market. Okay, so what I do on a daily basis is I try to look out for zones of interest. Okay, zones where price can react from, can either buy from or sell from. Okay, these are some of the zones that I have been trading or that I've been trading from over the past couple of weeks. Okay, so all I do on a daily basis is I wait for price to drop into any of these zones. Okay, depending on the direction of the market. For instance, if price drops into this zone, for instance, this area of interest. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will go down to the lower time frame and then look out for other factors of confluence, other reversal structures like the double bottom pattern, weak rejections, and all that, and then I take my trade. Okay, and then I place my stop loss slightly below the nearest key level. Okay, because most times or sometimes after price respects that sometimes price respects the area, but before it fully respects the area, it needs a push from a key level in the market. So you might see price strike through this key level, this area of interest, and then test the nearest key level before going to the earlier determined direction. Okay, so we can see something like this, but I think there was a key level somewhere around there which maybe I deleted. So sometimes price actually violates the area of interest and then test a key level before crashing down. Okay, so this is how I have been trading for quite some time, and this is highly just, I don't know how to put it, but it's one of the best ways to actually trade because it reduces the fear of missing out. The right time to trade. Okay, just look at this. Is how I've been trading for a very long time. Okay, very long time. Not all the trades are successful. Some I lose sometimes. Like you see, I lost this trade. I was actually waiting to buy Gbpusd from this area. Okay, and I was looking for this buy, and while I was looking for this buy because this price was actually close to a key level. As you can see, we have a psychological price level at this area. Okay, so but that is it. But what you see, I don't just trade once price gets into this zone. I look out for other reversal structures. I don't know if I'm not sure if I took this trade, but if I had taken it, it would have been a loss because I would have been looking to buy from this area. Okay, but one thing, I don't just buy because price is within my area of interest. I look out for the reversal structures. So what I would have done at this point in time, this is on a 1 hour time frame. What I would have done on this point in time is to go down to the 15 minutes time frame and look out for a double bottom pattern or weak rejections on this key level. If I had seen it, then I would have taken this trade and then I would have taken my loss with my full chest, because that is actually what we do. That is what we do. I respect the system, and this has actually been playing out for over the years. For over 3 years that I've been using the system, it has been just like this. Okay, the market, the same thing happens every day, daily on this asset. I trade just Gbpusd and also Nasdaq. Okay, so that is it. So you can see price dropped, and I actually bought from this area, and you see how far price got to. Okay, and also this area we had price almost violating our area of interest, and then tested a key level before dropping down. Okay, so this is not new to me. I experience this most of the time. So I'm almost ready. Once I take my trade, once I find my reversal structure, I place my stop loss slightly below the nearest key level. Okay, and then I place my target and I leave the market. That is just the way I trade. I think I can't recall what happened. I was in a profit. I think I was in a profit on this trade in this area. I was looking for buys. I was in a profit, and I think there was a rejection from this key level, and then we lost this trade, something like that. I can't really recall. And then the next day we recovered. You can see this thing is happening every day in the market. Every day the same thing occurs. We took this trade, we bought. It was a good trade. This was a good sell. Good buy. You can see what is going. This is not an indicator that repaints. Nothing like that. We don't even use indicators. These are just key levels in the market that we look out for on a daily basis. You can see this was a good buy. Price actually drops down, tested this key level before going up. The same thing happened there. Price nearly violated our area of interest, tested this key level, and then shoot up. At this point, the price failed to get to my area of interest. This day price was a good trade. This was also a good trade for today, and this is how we do it on a daily basis. Okay, this is how Forex Chief trades. So if you are interested in this pattern of trading, you can come for a one-on-one mentorship, okay, and then you learn the algorithm from the forex chief priest himself. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.